Hello and welcome to Sarah's Delights. Today I'm going to show you how to cook rice in a rice cooker. It's very simple and very easy. All you need is some rice, some water and of course a rice cooker. I use this 400 gram tin can to measure my rice. You can use any kind of cans, baked bean can, tomato can, chickpea can, whatever's available. This is 1 can of rice. It should be enough to serve 4 to 5 people. I'm going to pour it into the rice cooker pot and wash it. Using the same measuring cup, measure out 1.5 cans of water. Because I've used 1 can of rice, I've used 1.5 cans of water. So if I use 1.5 cans of rice, I would use 2 cans of water. And now it's ready to go into the rice cooker to cook. The rice is in the rice cooker now, ready to cook. Once it's cooked, the warm indicator will be on, and then you can switch off and enjoy. The rice cooker warm indicator is on, which means the rice is cooked and ready. Let's have a look. Oh, beautiful, lovely and fluffy. The rice is ready to be served. Enjoy. Please like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.